Hello! Me, again, in the caravan. As you know, Dee is pregnant. We have 6 weeks left until the birth. And I've been trying to find out all the things I need to get. And to be honest with you, I think we have everything at the moment. There's bound to be those last minute things that we think, oh, didn't think of that. But I've been doing my research, I've been looking around, and what I am most surprised at is how far things have evolved. Baby monitors. You know the type? If you're my age, they're eyes and ears to monitor the baby. You see them, you hear them. But there's all sorts these days of other baby monitors. There's apps for your phone, with built-in cameras, and special socks you can put on the baby that measures the heartbeat, and the oxygen levels, and the baby's weight, and last time they had a wee, last time they made a mess in the nappy, it tells you the weight, the milestones, last time they slept, last time they... and special cots as well. That measures your baby, so you don't need to do. And they send you detailed updates to your phone. It's unbelievable. We don't have a mobile phone. We don't even have a microwave. It's not that we're behind the times, it's just we don't really use those things or like those things. So, I am looking at all these baby things that they're trying to sell to us. Things that go beep and kerplink. And we're wondering, how many of these gizmos and gadgets are really necessary to bring up a baby? My opinion, none. There's parental instinct. There's what mother and father know best for the baby. You don't need updates on your phone to tell you that your baby is happy when the baby is in the same room as you, or in the next room over. If you live in a mansion, why would you put your baby 5 corridors across? I don't know. It's beyond me. It's bizarre. Keep the precious things close to you. Use your own eyes and ears and monitor the baby yourself. You don't need gizmos with webcams and heart rate monitors. Just see for yourself. Your baby. Observe. But there are so many other gizmos and gadgets out there that I'm a bit baffled at. For example, something such as a fridge door securer and fastener. By the time our child is old enough to buy a fridge, because we don't have one, I would hope that they can open the door safely. And harnesses as well. I'm struggling to see why you would want to put a harness on your child to take them for a walk. We don't put a lead on our dog. We go out, the dog's free range, they roam, we go across to the beach, to the common, we go anywhere and everywhere. There's no need to put a lead on a dog, let alone on a child. Because you can supervise the child. Well, at least we can, anyway. So I am struggling to see whether we need these things, or if they're just consumerism, and big companies telling us what we need. Because, why? I would not dream of putting a lead on my child. There are all these other things out there that have been marketed to new parents, and I just can't work out if they are a necessity or consumerism. Things that measure your baby for you, things that go plink in the night on your mobile phones, things that save you time so you don't actually need to interact, things that measure your baby, things that weigh your baby, mobile phone apps that take photos for your baby so you don't need to see your baby yourself. Why? Why not spend time and get to know your own child? Am I being old-fashioned? Am I meant to embrace the technological age of mobile phone apps that does everything for you? There is even a baby bottle out there that measures the calorific content of breast milk. And it tells you how many calories your baby has consumed that day and how your baby stands on a percentile of other babies within your region. Go baby! Or rather, go wife! You have most calorific milk out of all mothers in my area. Yeah, really? And this data is being shared on public websites and mobile phone apps. I really struggle to see why anyone would want their calorific breast milk information shared openly. Oh yes, I'm able to produce high calorie milk compared to you, my neighbour, who is 20 calories less per gram. No, the baby gets what the baby needs in terms of breast milk anyway. The body is best designed to do these things, and you don't need to measure and chart every single detail that goes into the baby. The baby will suck out what they need when they need it, without it being measured into a chart on a public website. Now, I could start going down the whole conspiracy theory route with you and sound like Marvin, but I'm not going to. It's just all these things, all these mobile phone apps that take away responsibility of the parents caring for a baby is not for us. We want to do things the old-fashioned way. We want to nurture and care for and love the baby without mobile phone technology and external webcams, external heart rate monitors, external this, that, whatever, that feeds into a public domain. What do you think? Do you embrace change in terms of the more assistance and help you can have to raise your baby, the better? Or do you want to rely on your own natural skills and instinct? Let me know down below in the comments. It's a very emotive subject for me, because I want to be the best father I can myself, without machines that go ping